to all my wonderful champions. I hope my dear friends are doing absolutely great. So finally, just one day left for KCET 2026, and you have been waiting for this particular day, and also us. First of all, if you are someone who is very well prepared, wishing you the best, give your best out there. And I definitely know there are children who probably are having mixed feelings at this particular point of time, probably could be in a state of being panicky, sad that they could not give their best, or stressed because they are forgetting things what they have learned, and so many things might be happening over there. First of all, acknowledge your emotions. Okay, you are sad? Yes, I am sad because this is happening. Okay, I'm panicked, I'm stressed. Okay, acknowledge it. Okay, first of all, you cannot be lying to yourself and saying that no, I'm not sad, I'm not stressed, and basically just going ahead and trying to stress your body even more. Don't do that. Acknowledge it first, that yes, I'm sad because of this reason, or I'm stressed because of this particular reason. You have understood the reason. Now you need to understand one more very important thing, that is, you cannot stay in that particular zone forever, because it is definitely not going to help you as of now. Then ma'am, what is going to help me now? You have to face it. Yes, come to that zone that whatever happens, happens. Let me face it. Let me just face it. I am not thinking about any worse scenario out there or anything good as well. I'm just going to give my best with whatever time I have over here. You might ask, ma'am, is one day going to change a lot of things? I will not lie to you, it's not going to change a lot of things, but definitely it might help you in some ways. You might be able to attend some questions out there. You get it, or probably if at all you are lucky enough, if you are utilizing this day properly, you might be able to attend even more questions out there. So do not lose this chance. And if you are someone who has probably studied and forgetting things, do not lose yourself in this particular process of just being sad. Rather, as I said, face it. Okay, face it and make sure you utilize this day well. Yeah, and my dear children who have prepared and everything, and so you also, for everyone who is watching this video, I'll recommend you do not sacrifice much of your sleep. Tomorrow you have to give your day after tomorrow. I do not know when this video is going to go. Anyways, on 23rd you have to give your examination, and for that you need proper sleep, and please have enough food and then only go for the examination. Otherwise you will not have the energy to give the paper, right? So yes, and if you are ready to face it, right, I am ready to face KCET 2026 in the comment section, and let it go. Okay, whatever has happened, we cannot do anything now. We have a day's time. Give your best. Yes. Okay, now talking about how you can give your best in this particular day, using this particular day. First thing, there should be slot 1 where you are going to brush up the high priority topics out there. Just brushing up, you're not solving questions out there, you're just revising the important concepts. Okay, slot 2, you are going to put it into practice. You are going to solve some PYQs of the high priority topics only. Okay, and the last one, slot 3, you are going to be in the safe zone by targeting the low priority topics as well. Now everything might not be doable, but as I said, some things, few things can still be done. Do it. Okay, do it. And do not be acting like a coward and going back and not giving your best out there. No, it's just one day thing. Give your best. Let's see what can happen, right? Yes. Okay, now how can you divide your time? I promise I'm not wasting too much of your time into this, okay, because I know your time is so precious out there. So listen to me. In slot 1, as I said, you have to brush up your things. So on 23rd you have physics and chemistry examination. So first thing that we need to prioritize is physics and chem. So 6 to 8, what you can do is, so what I have done is I have given 3 hours for a chapter, for a subject. Okay, so physics concepts first 6 to 8, that means 2 hours you are going to do the revision of the concepts, take a 10 minutes break, come back, 1 hour again, physics concept. By this, you should be able to cover the high priority topics out there. Okay, high priority topics, high priority formulas which are there, which are usually being used. Just brush it up. Obviously, as I said, everything is not possible. Whatever is possible, do that. I'll tell you the list of the chapters which are important. I'll tell you where you can find the notes as well. Okay, so this is for that, and if you can try to finish it up within 3 hours itself, because you might have to go ahead and solve some PYQs for some confidence, for some good amount of confidence, and putting all this thing into practice as well. Yeah, now take a break of 30 minutes and then please have your breakfast and everything, come back again, 2 hours, this time for chemistry concepts, take a 20 minutes break, and then for 1 hour again chemistry concepts. So 3 hours for chem, 3 hours for physics. Please make sure you brush up both of them are equally important over here. Do not leave any of these subjects. Okay, don't think that I'm good in subject, so I'll just concentrate on that. No, your KCET marks are going to be coming from physics and chemistry both, so you cannot do that over here. You have to spend time for both of them. And if you feel that I am good in a concept, then basically do not invest too much time there, rather go with the next concept which you are weak at. Okay, and it's of high priority as well. As I said, and I promised you right now, that I'll be telling you how you can go ahead and find the important things. For example, if I am talking about the name reactions out there in chemistry, and if you want the PDF for that, first of all, there has been a video that has been already done. And if you do not want to refer to a video, just want the notes out there. There is a link in the description section of this video where you will be able to see something like this. Join Diksha KCET WhatsApp channel. You can just join the channel out there. First of all, telling you, you can join the channel, and if at all, whenever you feel you want to unjoin it, you want to just move out of it, you can move out as well. This is for you guys. There is no promotions being done out there. Okay, all the videos, all the updates have been given. That is why I'm asking you to go and join it up, because the PDF also will be provided out there. Okay. Now, where do you find this particular PDF once you have joined it? Listen to that also. So, there is a rank booster KCET series that we have done. It is what? A rank booster series. Under the rank booster series, you will be able to see something like this, all important name reactions. Okay. So, it's put under rank booster series because that is the ongoing series. So, find it under rank booster series, chemistry. When you move under chemistry, you will be able to find this. This is for the name reactions. Now, if you're looking for what do you say, this thing that is, where did it go? Sorry. Okay, there is one thing for physics as well which is not being put over here. I think there's some mistake. Anyways, so physics also, there is all formula video. So formula video as well as the PDF of it. Again, the same thing they have to do. Go to rank booster series and go to physics. Rank booster series you will be finding, and then go to physics subject. You will be finding physics formula. Physics formula is there for PU1 as well as PU2 separately. So you can find it easily and you can go ahead and try to just brush it up. Okay, in that way it could be helpful for you. Apart from the rank booster series and this formula things that I showed you, we'll be sharing all the PDFs which is necessary. If at all you think it is of use, you can make the best use of it. Okay, so that is for you guys. Only if at all you want, if you have your own notes, please go ahead with that as well. Now the next thing, that is slot 2, put in the practice. That is whatever you have brushed up, Baba, you have to put in your practice. So what do we do? This is going to be a little exhaustive, and obviously when you do not have much time, you have to give, well, I mean, you have to try with whatever you have, right? So, but at any point you feel that I'm exhausted, I cannot do it anymore, it's okay. Okay, take breaks and do it as much as you can. That's all. Okay, do not be too hard on yourself. Okay, we just have ourselves and we have to be good to us. Yeah, so 1:30 to 4:30, after 30 minutes break, you come back and you're gonna solve physics PYQs for 3 hours. Now while you do PYQs, obviously there you can take breaks if at all you need, but 3 hours should be given to the physics PYQs. That is for the high priority topics that you have just covered. Okay, then take a 30-minute break out there, come back, you do chemistry PYQs again for 3 hours. While you do for 3 hours, in between and all, you can take in a like 25 minutes break or probably 10 minutes break according to what you want. Now this is not a timetable that you have to follow as such. Okay, you guys are grown up, you know that what is good for you, please do accordingly. I'm just saying that you should be reserving some slots for solving the questions. Okay, just going through the concepts would not be enough. You have to see some questions, PYQs especially, which you can do. Okay, then take a break and come back. So enough breaks have been given in between. Come back 8:30 to 9:30 for 1 hour. Low priority chapters of PYQs you're gonna see. Okay, just the PYQs for 1 hour. Take a 30 minutes break. Again, low priority chapters of PYQs of Chem. So one for physics, one for Chem. Just have a look through. If you think that's too much for you, don't do it. If you think that's too much for you, don't do it. Do not stress yourself. I'm telling again and again, you have to write the examination. If at all you exhaust yourself, it is not going to work well. Okay, so yes, so I have done that, I'm telling you, and I have basically I felt dizzy and I fell down also once. So that's why with experience I'm telling you, do not over exhaust yourself, and yes, just do what you can. Okay, yes. Now if you talk about the high priority chapters, okay, by the way, if you need help in any of these subjects out there, whether it's physics, whether it's chemistry, whether it's mathematics, or whether it's biology, and if you feel that I have no idea what should I be doing at this particular point of time, sir and ma'am, because you have 23rd physics and chemistry, that's why I'm talking more about it. They have done top 100 most expected questions along with the PYQs which is there. You can go watch this video, and when it comes to us, that is math and biology, again there is top 100, sorry, not 1000, there is 100 MCQs. You can watch that also if needed. If you think that you really need help, if you have nothing, no resource, and you have done you have absolutely no idea what you have to do as of now, then it could be helping you well. Yes, yes, this comes under rank booster. So the name rank booster, the thumbnail will be there, that's why I put it over here. Now talking about the high priority chapters, these are the high priority chapters which you have to cover for sure. Yeah, these are the medium and this is the low for physics. Make sure you go ahead with it, and you can take a screenshot also if needed. Similarly for PU1, these are the chapters. If you can, go ahead. If you cannot, because I don't think for PU1 you have much time, but if you are someone who is in the revision phase, then definitely you can consider this. Yeah. Similarly for math, these are the high priority chapters. This could be medium. These are easy chapters also that are marked over here. If at all you can, cover it up. If no, at least this. Okay. And you have your PU1 chapters as well over here. Similarly, you have for chemistry as well. These are the chapters that you must, and these are the chapters which are of medium weightage are there. If you can, cover it up. If not, then this. And over here, you have PU1 chapters as well. Cool. And finally, it's biology. For bio, these are the chapters which you have to cover, and these are the medium weightage chapters if you can. And finally, over here, you have the PU1 chapters. So this is what I had to tell you. I'm reminding you again, it's just an examination. Go face it. Okay, and what's the other option that we have? We do not have any other option. Okay, shall we just sit and cry about it? It does not work like that. Okay, it is not going to help you in any ways on the next day. So yes, let's just try once, not three. Let's just try once, take it a chance. Yeah. And I hope this particular video was helpful, and this probably could be the last strategy video for KCET 2026. Just want to tell you that I'll miss you a lot, and yes, come back to us for counseling. We will be making videos on that. And also, my dear children, if at all you're someone who's preparing for COMEDK, there's a COMEDK 10 crash course. You can check it out in the description section of this particular video, and more details about it will be given in the website. So that is why I definitely recommend you to go check it out by yourself. So that's all. Please take care of yourself and see you really soon. Bye bye.